Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to export one of your notebooks or documents as a PDF file on the GoodNotes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then select your document that you would like to export and tap on its title. Now tap on Export, click on Show Options, and here you can see that you have three options. Include page background, include annotation, and PDF data format. Tap on it and you can change whether you would like it to be editable or flattened. Now if you are ready to export your document, all you have to do is tapping on the export button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby being able to send it via email or social networking sites or whatever you prefer. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.